Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus RCF versus LC500. We'll dive into their distinct personalities, from track-focused performance to grand touring luxury. You'll learn which vehicle best suits your driving style and priorities. We'll cover key differences in power, interior comfort, and overall driving experience. Get ready for a detailed breakdown to help you make an informed decision. Under the hood, both coupes share a powerful 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. The RCF delivers 472 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, emphasizing a more aggressive, track-focused feel. In contrast, the LC500 with 471 horsepower utilizes a 10-speed automatic, tuned for a smoother, more refined grand touring experience. The RCF accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds, slightly quicker than the LC500 4.4 seconds. Both share a top speed of 168 miles per hour. Stepping inside, the LC500 presents a luxurious lounge, featuring hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and a large 12.3-inch infotainment screen. It prioritizes comfort and elegance for long journeys. The RCF, however, offers a sportier, driver-focused interior with heavily bolstered seats and carbon fiber trim, centered around a 7-inch display. While both are four-seaters, the RCF provides slightly more usable rear seat space and a larger trunk, offering 281 liters versus the LC500 153 liters. When considering value, the RCF generally starts at a lower price, making it an attractive option for performance enthusiasts. The LC500, while more expensive, justifies its cost with a more luxurious experience and refined ride quality. For practicality, the RCF offers more trunk space and slightly better fuel efficiency, averaging 19 miles per gallon combined versus the LC500 18 miles per gallon. Ultimately, the RCF is for the driver seeking a raw, engaging sports car, while the LC500 is the ultimate grand tourer. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.